push this out.
You know, it's times like that.
This is new.
I did. Yeah. It's not. It's supposed to be one thing.
I would love to have Rosetta Stone.
Yeah, but if you have to do it, you need to do it with someone. You need to get to practice with someone. But anyway.
Well, you know, they have a new improved version now, which is linked up to the internet, and you talk to other people.
But I'm sitting here, my book, you know, so good. I'm sitting at a bench, I'm reading my book, and I'm in this car, and it's going, it stops right in front of me. You know, it's like, wow. And it's on the door here. It's like, and I said, no, I don't think so. You told us $1 million.
And
What's your mom
I know you have these whole grain baguette, half baguettes. Some of them have sweetness in them, or some of them.
We have the regular whole grain gravy.
Oh, yeah, small coffee.
Give me in one bag a multi-grain, the cranberry, and a plain one. And then another bag, 2 plain ones.
That's especially what they can study. Okay. The white tea
These, that's one bag. And then the other bag, has okay, now
Look, that